Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Favor. Join me as I go get fridge for the house. Okay, right now I'm already in the place where they say the stuff. Okay, I'm going to check out what they have here and then make a decision on the one I want to buy. Okay, so this place is one of the place they sell things cheaper in my area. Okay, so do well to enjoy the vlog. Thank you. Guys, finally I got this one. It has freezer on top and then fridge under it. Okay, and it's very spacious. It can actually contain the things that I want, my stew, my soup, and then use the down one for vegetables and the rest of the things. Okay, so this is the one I finally got. Guys, can you guess how much I got this at the comment section? Things are really expensive in Nigeria. Okay, things are expensive. You cannot even get the amount I got this thing. Okay, so they are now checking it out for me to make sure that it is working. Okay, and once they confirm that it's working, they're going to package it for me and I will carry it home